everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys a Target haul. Now, before you guys give me crap for it, I've been really trying to avoid shopping for just for videos, but this is stuff that I actually been really wanting to get, and you never know what you can find when you guys can shop 90% off. Now, one of my stores in my area went 90% off yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys what I got with that. And then all the other stores went 90% off today. So I made a video showing you guys how to tell if it's 90% off in your area. Usually my stores, I've done it yesterday is what usually, but I've noticed with Halloween they did it a day later than normal stores, and then with Christmas they did it with a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I got at Target, plus I got stuff at Starbucks. Okay, so I forgot a bag upstairs. So the main thing I wanted to get is clothing for the kids. I'm a person who loves to buy off-season for clothes, because then when they outgrow them, I can pretty much get my money back. So I did a lot of clothes. I got a lot of clothes. So the thing I first went to, and I just ran, you guys, like, I just ran. The store I went to yesterday had this stuff for 70% off, but they only had like the little stuffed animal bears and then like this little bag thing that I got, and I didn't get it. And then I'm like, well, if they have it at the Starbucks I go to today, I'll get it. And they did, but my store had them marked for 50% off. So I'm like, sweet, and I actually wanted to get something that I have in this bag. It was something I actually wanted to get. But the first thing I got, this was not on clearance. My cat is right here, you guys. But the first thing I got on clearance, or I did not get on clearance, was this Starbucks cup. I been really into making stuff with my Cricut machine, and I want to start making, like, I'm going to start practicing stuff. Hi Paris, how are you? I want to start practicing, so I ended up getting this because I'm going to make something with it. So I just got this. I think there's like $2 for that. But the one thing I really wanted was this mug. Now, I actually got one of these for Christmas, and I love it, but I kind of wanted to have a pair, so I ended up just getting another one of these. This is like a gunmetal. I love this mug. Like, I just absolutely love it. This was originally $14.95, so I got it for $1.49. Loving it. My store had like 4 left when I left, but I'm like, you guys, Graham's like, oh, you should have bought them. And I'm like, you know what? No. Self-control. I don't need it, because I like to buy some stuff to resell it, but I'm like, nope, 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 we're not doing that, because that's what I used to do. And so I ended up getting that. Miss Paris is like, I want to sit down with you guys. So ended up getting that. I'm going to put that right there so I don't break it. And then this is what I've been kind of eyeing up since day one. And I've been loving these little shopping bags. I thought this would be kind of cute to put on, like, you know, a decoration, a little knickknack and stuff. So I ended up getting 2 of these. I got one for me and one for my mother-in-law. I'm probably going to give it to her for her birthday or Mother's Day. I don't know, but I thought these were super cute, and I've kind of just been eyeing them up. But this was $8.95, so I got it for 89 cents. So I did get 2 of those. So that was what I got at Starbucks Target. So I was excited for that, and now I'm going to show you guys everything I got. Can you just like sit down? Just sit. Thank you. Sit down. Okay, so the first thing I got, and I kind of was eyeing this ornament, because I saw somebody, who did I see have? I think I saw in Gina's background when she filmed something, she had a Target dog. I thought this is kind of cute, a little Target dog ornament. Every store is different, so if you guys have multiple stores, you definitely got to go to it. The store I went to yesterday, everybody was like piranhas. Like, I was standing in a spot looking at sweaters, and this lady's like, excuse me, you're blocking my cart. And I'm like, I'm sorry, just say it nicely, you know. But she had this big item in her hand, and she's just sitting there waiting for me to move, and I'm like, you know, just say something nicely, you know. So these ladies were crazy. It's like, Paris just knocked over my water. Paris. But yeah, this was $6, so I got it for 60 cents. I thought this is kind of cute for like a little ornament that I wanted to get. I love the silicone bibs for Charlotte. They're so easy. If you guys ever have anybody who has kids or anything, definitely go ahead and get these. This one says everybody prance now. I thought it said France when I bought it, but this says everybody prance now, and this says happy holidays. I love the silicone bibs. They clean so well and they're so easy, you know, to get, and it says buy one bib, you give one meal, so it's kind of cool. So these were, I can't even remember, I don't know, I think these were like, I don't have my receipt on me. Not in this bag. Let's see if it's in the other bag. Yeah, here it is. These were, the bibs were 79 cents. Yeah, so $7.99 for a bib. That's crazy, but 79 cents is a great price. Now, I ended up, yesterday I saw these bath bombs and they were ringing up $7, and I said to the employee, I says, hey, these are ringing up $7. She's like, oh, well, you can still get them for 90% off. And I'm like, no. And then I found another outfit that was cool, and it was ringing up regular price, and I says, hey, that's supposed to be 90% off. She's like, well, I can't give it to you, but do you still want it? I'm like, no. So, yeah, half that stuff at the store yesterday was not ringing up 90% off, but I ended up getting some frozen bath bombs. These were 75 cents, so these were $7.50 originally. $7.50. I wanted to get the Hot Wheels ones, but they didn't have any, but you know what, I'm totally cool with these. You know, great bath bombs, and these are like some solid ones. I know they sell these at Ulta.com. I got a shirt for Miss Charlotte for when she grows into it. Yeah, I like I said, I buy clothes off season, and I go as many sizes as I can, because I don't know how long I'll be shopping these deals. You know, I might quit after a couple years, and it's like, oh, I still have good outfits. So this was $7, so I got it for 70 cents, and it says, all I want for Christmas is peace, rainbows, and unicorns. I thought that was super cute to get to Miss Charlotte. Here's another shirt that she can wear next year. So this is 18 months, so this will fit her next year. This was $6, so I got it for 60 cents. It's a cat unicorn. Got that. And then I also got this ugly sweater. We have an ugly sweater party every single year, and the past couple years the kids haven't had sweaters because I just don't find any. So this year I wanted to find some, so I got this little sweater for Miss Charlotte to wear, and this is 18 months, and this was $16.99, so I got it for $1.69. What, honey? Just give me a second, honey. So I got that. So that was one bag, and then, oh, here's your, hold on, honey. Give me one second. Take that upstairs with Daddy then. Open it? You go take it upstairs with Daddy. They had pixie sticks, you guys. Now, the food was not 90% off. I looked at it. This was $1, and I got it for like 30 cents, and I'm like, hello, childhood. But one thing I noticed is they are not as big as what they used to be. These used to be bigger. Longer and bigger, but they've got, you guys, smaller. Ben always likes to bother me, and sometimes it gets annoying. So this is something I found. I'm like, I'm just gonna try it. This is something I found just floating around. I went over the beauty section and I saw it on an end cap. Nothing was priced on it, and I'm like, I'm just gonna price scan this. So this is Cremo body wash. It was $14.99, so I got it for $1.49. It is blue cedar and cypress, sage and citrus, silver water and birch, and reserved blend. I mean, this looks like mini bottles of liquor, but it's body wash. So I thought this would be something kind of cool for Graham to try, so I'm going to definitely have him try that. I mean, I could give it to him for a gift, but I'm just like, nah. And then I also got this little book by the Elf on the Shelf. This is Santa's North Pole Christmas Storybook Collection. I thought it was kind of cool. I mean, it's got some good, you know, it's got big print in here, and there's a couple different stories. So I thought this is super cute to get for the kids to read. So this was $1.29. $1.29. Great price on that. So I got stuff that I actually will be using, and that's the main priority of why I went. Now this is the stuff that I got yesterday. Benjamin put his stuff in here, so we got Forky, but yeah. I ended up getting a little Pez dispenser. This was like 79 cents. He took it out, he opened it, but it was like a little mini Pez, and then there's 2 little candies. Yeah, that actually was 89 cents is what we got that for. I ended up getting this root beer flavored candy cane. I love root beer, and I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna try this. So this was, what was this? This was 59 cents. I'm like, I'm gonna try that. That's something I wanted to try. saw this little Hershey Kisses lip balm. Now they had the 2-packs, but I wasn't a big fan of peppermint. But this one says it's caramel, and this one was 29 cents. So I'm pretty excited to try lip balm because that's one thing I love is lip balm. And then I ended up finding the sweater. That store got picked over like crazy. I was in kind of an area where there's like a lot of fancy people and like a lot of college kids, and it was like picked over. But I did find this cute little sweater for Charlotte to wear. This is also 18 months, but it's Minnie Mouse on it, and this was $1.60 or $16.99, so I got it for $1.69. So those are super cute because those are something the kids can definitely wear. And then I had fun at the third store. So the third store, I was not expecting to find a lot of stuff, but I went crazy, and a lot of it's just clothes, you guys. Like, I was that excited. I think I saw Gina have something like this on the wall. This is an Advent banner. It's 24 festive pockets to fill with treats. So I thought this would be something to use for the kids. This was $10, so I got it for $1. I don't know if anything's missing in it. I think it's just a regular banner, and then there's some felt numbers on here, but I thought this would be something to work with the kids next year. We could put it on the wall. I mean, Ben had fun, you know, something like that. It'd be kind of cool to fill that up. I'm gonna grab my receipt. So we got that. This was just floating around. I scanned this. This was like 49 cents, I think is what it was. Yeah, 49 cents for this. And it's all it is like a little ink pad, and then you can color it, and then it turns color. So I thought this would be super good to keep Ben occupied. He loves that kind of stuff. I ended up getting a charger plate. Now this was a quarter. I was debating on if I wanted to get more or not, but I wanted to get something that I could design with my Cricut machine. I've been really into making stuff with my Cricut machine lately, you guys. Kind of want to start a little side business, but I thought I'm just going to get one plate for now because the Dollar Tree has stuff like this all the time. But once I figure out, you know, what I want to use that for, I was going to do that. But I'm like, you know what? I don't need more because, you know, I might not even sell it. I might not even do anything with it. And I only lost a quarter for that. I found this little pack of little activities. This was 49 cents, I think, for this. But there's crayons in here, stencils, stickers, a little coloring book and everything. I thought for 49 cents, this is a great thing to get. I should have probably got more because I could give these to the kids next year for Christmas, but that's okay. That is okay. This outfit was sitting all by its lonesome, and I thought this was cool. Now, I did go in the clothing section with all the kids, and there was tons of Christmas stuff, but I went and scanned it, and nothing was ringing up anything on sale. So some of the stuff was on sale, and some of it wasn't. So Target's getting a little bit tricky on this, but super cute little outfit. This was $15, so I got it for $1.50. So I thought Charlotte's gonna wear that for Christmas next year. I thought that is such an adorable little outfit, and that was all by itself. All by itself. I found Ben a shirt. Now Ben, I have to get extra big clothes for him. So this is something he might not wear next year, but maybe the year after that. But this is an extra large, so it'll be a while before he wears this. But this was $7. So I got it for 70 cents, and all it is just a dinosaur. Thought that was kind of cute, you know, for that. And I'm just gonna bring all these clothes up here. Paris is just sitting right here. I just can't stop petting her. Like I said, I have an ugly sweater party every year, so I ended up getting a sweater for Ben to wear. This was $27.99, and I got it for $2 or $2.79. So I thought that'd be a good gift for him to wear, or a good sweater to wear. And if he doesn't wear it, I can even fit into it. Like, that's crazy. So I got a Grinch sweater. Somehow I got some booties. Where'd this come from? Oh, this might have came with that little dress. Yeah, like how did I get a little, not booties, I got some underwear. I think it came with that dress because she took everything off the hanger. So this is another sweater I got. Now this was Mickey Mouse. I thought this would be a nice little festive to wear. This was large, $27.99. This was, again, all by its lonesome. I thought this is a perfect sweater for me to wear. Not for my ugly sweater party, but just for when I want to be festive. And I'm like, this is perfect. $2.79 for a Mickey sweater. Yeah. I found this sweater to wear also. Now this is something Graham and I could wear, but this is a ugly, it's supposed to be an ugly sweater, but this is a Coca-Cola sweater. This was $29.99, so I got this for $2.90. But I thought that's kind of cool. It's got the Coke bottles on the back, and then it's got the bears on the front, and it says it's the real thing. So I thought that is super awesome to wear, and it's a medium, but it looks like it's big. I got another bath bomb. I got Frozen Elsa. These were, again, were 75 cents. I got this, end up like this massager thing. This was only 49 cents. But I thought that's kind of cool, you know, because my back is killing me and I could just do something like that. It's like, oh. So 49 cents for this little vibrator thing. That's kind of cool. I'm almost done, you guys. I'm almost done. I ended up getting some ornament hooks. Now I like the fancy hooks on my tree. So this was $4, so I just got this for 40 cents. This was sitting all by its lonesome. Like, you guys gotta dig. Dig, 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 dig. That's what I do. I got another sweater for Charlotte. Now, I was debating on getting these, and then I kind of grabbed them at the last minute, because I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna get them. So this is a size small, but this is something for her to wear in the future, but it just says Fa La 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 Llama. This was $1.90 is what I got that for. And then I got this shirt for her to wear. I think this is a 2T. This is a size 6 also of Miss Minnie. This was 99 cents I got that for. Like, you guys, I sell my stuff like super cheap. Another sweater. This was a last minute sweater I grabbed, and it was just chillin'. This was a 7/8, and this was $1.99. I thought that's kind of cool, so we got that for the kids. And then I got, this is my last item, I got Charlotte another shirt. This says ha 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 ha, laughing all the way. And this was originally $7, and then it was on clearance for $3.50, but I actually got it for 70 cents. So pretty awesome on that. So that was everything I got for the 90% deal, you guys. Like I told you, I was trying to cut back on stuff. I don't need any Christmas like decorations. I don't need wrapping paper. I don't need gift bags. If you guys do for it, go for it, go for it, go for it. My family and I, we kind of just rotate our gift bags is what we do. So I never throw them away. We just keep continually reusing them. We don't even write our names on it. Because we just reuse them constantly. But I got stuff that I'm actually going to use. I'm going to put it away right away, put them in the kids' closet, put that stuff away. But I was pretty excited for what I got, because you never know what you're going to find. You never know what you guys are going to find. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this a video a thumbs up. If you guys find an awesome item that you got to share with me, tell me about it. I'd love to see if you guys scored anything awesome. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.